Look what I found. It's right here in front of this revolution statue at Embarcadero in front of the Perry building. What you call it? Perry building waterfront. Look, oh. Gaganda ng mga shirts. Gaganda ng design. I'm eyeing that. I don't know if it's gray or I don't know what color is that, but for me it's gray. The one with the crab and lobster. Ang ganda ng design, di ba? May mga long sleeves din sila, pero I want the t-shirt. It's only $5. This one is $10 for sure. Yeah, $10. Look, $5 lang. Ayun no, ayun yun no. Hi. This is $5. Yeah. Can I buy it? Do you have small? Is this small? Yeah, it is. So this is the one I'm gonna get. Ayan na, suot ko na yung binili kong t-shirt. Eksaktong-eksakto yung small na size. Perfect fit. Parang isinukat talaga. At saan ka pa? Ang ganda ng design, no? Crab and lobster. Pagkatapos $5 lang, tax included. Na-met ko pa yung actual na artist kasi yung may-ari ng mismong stall siya ang artist. Nung nag-uusap kami, nagpakilala siya, pinakita niya yung mga credential niya, yung mga QR niya, tsaka yung mga website niya, kung gusto ko raw siyang itag. Siyempre, it will help and I will definitely do that. I love helping out other local artists. I have a penchant for that. And he's very, very, very friendly and I could tell he's a genuine person. The way he talks to me, the way, yung eye contact namin at nakipag-handshake pa at yung handshake is firm ang grip. And he took his time talking to me, explaining, all this and that. At sinabi pa niya sa akin yung mga susunod nilang gig, yung mga venue like Gay Pride, North Beach, at saka yung Juntin. Yan, inimbitahan niya ako. Tsaka yung dumating na friend niya, I don't know kung relative niya yon. Ang bait din, grabe. Nakipagkwentuhan ako sandali, hindi ko na binideo kasi awkward na yon. Pinutol ko na nga agad yung video nung dumating siya sa stall niya kasi nag-video ako nung walang tao sa stall niya para videohan yung mga yung mga design. Dahil ang cute talaga ng design at ang mura. Hindi mo mabibili ng $5 yung ganito kagandang tela, ha? Pure cotton. Made in Nicaragua. Tinignan ko yung label sa likod. Pure cotton. Ang lambot niya, ang ganda ng fit. Ganda ng design. $5? Man, you can find that anywhere. I live here in the Bay Area since 1995. I know what I'm talking about when it comes to prices, places. Kaya ito, kinuha ko kaagad. Bibili pa nga sana ako ng isa kulay blue eh. Pero dahil nag-usap na kami, nakalimutan ko na. But I always, go there at the waterfront. Lagi ko siyang nadadaanan. So I told him that I will definitely buy some more on my next, afternoon or morning walk. Ang ganda, oh. May live band. Kanina nadaanan ko yan eh. Kumakanta sila, ang ganda ng tugtog. Hanggang 2:00 sila dyan. Free yan. Free na band para sa plaza na to. Yung mga kumakain dyan. Tapos may coffee, may mga bagels at kung ano-ano pa dyan. Look at this. Dedicated to mechanics. Yan, kaya I'm glad na nadaanan ko tong shirt. I love it. Sinuot ko na nga kaagad tapos nung dumaan ako pabalik on my way back, nakita niya ako, sabi niya, "Oh, looks good." Sabi niya, "Looks good on you. Perfect fit." Sabi ko, "Yes, it is. Thank you." Sabi kong ganun. Alright, pababalik na ako ng downtown sa Port Street and Market. Nandito ako sa market and I don't know, I think second or first street. Ayun yung ano, Salesforce Tower, yung may botanical garden sa taas na pwede kang sumakay ng libre na gondola from street level, then I'll take you all the way up to that garden, botanical garden, free of charge. Yep. Battery Street pala, Market and Battery Street. Alright.